Today we are going to continue our learning about jigsaw numbers. First, let's go back and consider jigsaw numbers to 100. What strategy do we use? 37 add something equals 100. The units column must total 10 and the tens column must total 9. 7 add 3 makes 10. 3 add 6 makes 9. So we have our answer. 37 add 63 equals 100. Let's now apply the same principle to adding to 1,000. 374 add something equals 1,000. Let's apply the same principle. The units column must total 10, the tens column must total 9, and the hundreds column must total 9. 4 add 6 equals 10. 7 add 2 equals 9. And 3 add 6 equals 9. We have our answer. 374 add 626 equals 1,000. Have a go on your whiteboards.